Animated videos are great for telling stories, but can they be used in a more serious way where it can help you with your business to get across teaching lessons?
Welcome. You need clear floor space, your body, and later one sturdy wall or bench for an easier push-up option. Today we learn 6 beginner moves.
That's the question I had to put to Anijam's AI agent. Could it create a fitness routine using the AI agent and animations?
Squat, push-up, plank, lunge, incline push-up, and Superman.
This is a great test because with an exercise like calisthenics, making sure you get the right moves, the right timing, and the right information across is really important.
Lunge. Make a long enough step so your front knee stays over the foot. Inhale as you lower, exhale to come back.
The full 3-minute video of this with all of the exercises I'll show to you at the end. Can this AI agent handle this test? So let's dive into the platform and see how it went. So here we are inside of Anijam's platform, and the first thing it will present you with is this: what story will you animate today? So I prepared my prompt and I've just pasted it in here. Let's create an instructional video teaching how to do basic calisthenic fitness moves for beginners like the ones in the image attached. And then I just created an image of 6 basic calisthenic moves using ChatGPT, so it would have those images. Then it will bring you here into the main part of the platform on the canvas. Now it has a canvas-like flow, but over on the right hand side there's an agent that takes you through the process and controls everything on the canvas. So now it's analyzing those reference images, and it says it can see 6 core calisthenic moves for beginners: squat, push-up, plank, lunge, incline push-up, and Superman. Let's turn these into a clear instructional video, and you have 3 options. You have AI director mode, workflow mode, or Oscar film mode. As you can see, in the AI director mode, you can generate a final film with audio in one go. In the workflow mode, you can generate keyframe, video, and audio step by step. So it's a little bit more of a manual process. Still, the AI agent takes you through, but in the Oscar film mode is aiming to really guide you in creating that great video that you want to create. So then I just click confirm, and it tells you what it's up to now. So it says, excellent choice, Oscar film mode with C-Dance 2, perfect for a polished instructional video. Let me check if we have any existing content and then configure the project. It's found that there's no existing content, so we're going to build this from scratch. And you've got to choose your audience first. So you've got all ages, kids or teenagers. I went with all ages because it's more aimed at like adults. I chose YouTube as the platform I'm aiming at, and the aspect ratio as 16:9. Next was the duration, and I put 3 minutes for this. The reason I chose 3 minutes, because in my head I was thinking 6 exercises, about 30 seconds per exercise to demonstrate them. You could imagine how you could apply this to all sorts of different scenarios, whether you're teaching maths or English or science. You could have an animated character teaching different principles. This is perfect for people who don't want to be on camera, but need to create videos or want to create videos so people can know about their business or learn things that they have to teach. And then after a short while, it comes back to you with this. It comes back with the outline, which you have on the canvas there, and then the option to click into your story script as well. And here it has the whole of the script written out, the location, the description of what's happening in each scene, and can give you a real good idea of what's actually happening. For instance, here in the first scene, it's saying a bright home workout space. A clean mat rests in an open patch of sunlight, and a soft inhale is heard. Coach steps into a quick squat, then resets. A push-up, set up, flashes on the mat, and a plank line holds for a breath. So the opening is like a demonstration of all the moves quickly before the main instruction starts. Then after that, it gives you the scene breakdown in a table format, where it tells you like the opening teaser, 18 seconds, title screen, 10 seconds, welcome intro, 28 seconds. Title screen is quite long, but I did leave this as it was. But you could say to it that I only want the title screen to flash up for 3 seconds, or you could even say I don't want a title screen at all. The welcome and the intro. Then it goes into the 6 exercises. It did them 2 at a time. Squat and lunge for 32 seconds, push up and incline 32 seconds, plank and Superman for 36 seconds, and then the closing summary. It says, do you want to move forward? You can type anything you want in the box now to reply to it and say, oh, I want to change this, I want to do that. Or if you're happy with everything as it is, you can hit style design and it will carry you on forward. So in my case, I just hit style design and let it carry on. So style design is where you choose like your character. I liked this design 3D render V1. As per usual, you know, AI always tells you that you're incredible. Great pick. Design 3D render V1 is a perfect match. Clean, modern, and polished for a fitness instructional video. Let me lock in the style details now. And then it comes up with this style direction telling you that you can have 3D realistic rendering. You can have texture of detailed high fidelity surfaces, lighting, cinematic depth with natural light, tone, clean, bright, modern aesthetic, and 69 for YouTube. And that's exactly what I want. So then I just click on the next button that says concept design Oscar mode. But like I said, you can be more involved here. You can say, give it feedback and ask questions. Then it comes up with a concept design for the locations as well. And you can approve these and carry on or give feedback to change them. I was happy with what it had come up with and just clicked on generate all these concepts. So now it's batching all of the images for the character and for the location at the same time. So here we have the first images that have been done, and here's our main character. You'll recognize him from the intro clips that I showed, and I was happy with that main character as he is. Then it gives some images for the location, which looked perfect to me, an image for what the title screen would look like. Could have probably done with adjusting the bottom left one there because there's a repeat of two of the same positions, but I just left this as it was. Once you're happy with the pictures, you can continue on and generate the videos. So all the video holders are in place on the canvas, and it asks, do you want to generate them all at once or generate them step by step? Step by step could be good because you could see if it's going in the right direction from video one and make adjustments. But I decided in this case to just generate all at once because I was confident that it would do a good job. And here you can see all of the videos have been done, and this happened pretty quickly. And you can preview these videos. I haven't got the audio on here, but it has audio of him talking here as well. And check that all these videos have come out exactly as you want them to happen. And you could ask the platform to regenerate any videos you're not happy with or make any changes that you want to make. I was pretty happy with how most of the videos came out. Of course, there were some changes that you could make by asking it to regenerate, or some changes you might feel that you could change in the edit. So I felt that everything there was fine and I could make changes, any changes I wanted to make in the edit. Then I clicked the button to carry on to generate the background music, BGM standing for background music. Here we have the video done, and you can open it up in the timeline and see it within Anijam's own editing timeline. Here you can see the music, you can see the video all laid out, and you can play it and you can trim inside of here. But personally, I find it easier to use my own editing tool on the desktop, but it is possible from here as well. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll take the background music away, download the whole timeline, so I've got all of it with just the speaking, and then download the music separately. So here we are in CapCut, which is my favorite place to edit. And this is the place where I'd come in. You can see I've got the music down the bottom, and I can adjust the volumes individually and find the parts where I want to make changes. In this point here, you can see the animations that came up on the screen. They didn't quite correlate with all 6 of the moves that I wanted here. So I wanted to show you what I did here to correct this, is I just exported a still. I took this into a tool like Design, which is by the same company that own Anijam. Here we are in Design, and with that screenshot. Then I used GPT-2 along with the original image I had of the calisthenic moves and asked it to change those to the correct images, which gave me these 6 here, which was excellent, perfect, exactly like an image I gave. Then I brought that back into the timeline and then just cropped those images and laid them out for the exact right timing. The video overall was pretty much 95% of the way there. So it's just those small adjustments that I made there. Now I'll play you the full video, full 3-minute instruction video, so you can see it for yourself and see what you think. Maybe this is a tool you can teach with your own content or for a client and not have to have them or yourself on screen.
Simple form first. That is where we start. Welcome. You need clear floor space, your body, and later one sturdy wall or bench for an easier push-up option. Today we learn 6 beginner moves: squat, push-up, plank, lunge, incline push-up, and Superman. Move slowly, breathe. If form breaks, choose the easier version before choosing more reps. First rule: clean movement beats speed. Squat. Feet steady, chest open, hips back, like you are sitting to a chair. Inhale down, exhale as you stand. Common mistake, knees cave in. Press them gently toward your toes. Lunge. Make a long enough step so your front knee stays over the foot. Inhale as you lower, exhale to come back. Common mistake, standing on a tight reap. Give yourself train roads. Push-up. Start with hands under shoulders and make one long line from head to heels. Inhale as you lower, exhale as you press away. Common mistake, dropping the hips or craning the neck. Look at the floor and keep the body together. If the floor push-up feels too much, use a wall or a bench. This is not cheating, it is smart practice. Same line, easier angle. Common mistake, shoulders crowded, keep space around your neck. Plank. Brace gently, squeeze the legs, and keep breathing for 5 to 10 seconds. Do not hold your breath. Inhale through the nose if you can, exhale slowly. Common mistake, sagging or hiking. Find the line you can hold cleanly. Superman. Lift arms and legs just a little. Long neck, small control. Exhale to lift, inhale to lower. Common mistake, reaching too high. Smaller and smoother is safer. Here is your beginner practice. Try 5 slow squats, 3 to 5 push-ups or incline push-ups, 1 short plank, 5 lunges each side, and 5 gentle supermans. Keep the knees tracking, keep the body line, and keep the breath moving. Pause whenever you need, repeat this at your pace, and let good form be the win today.
Wow, personally, I've been really impressed with Anijam, its ability to create stories in previous videos, and its ability now to create instructional videos. So I'd be interested to hear what you create with Anijam. Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video here.